Everyone loves that new car smell, but as that fades over time. Once you start adding in fast food, wet pets, and sweaty workout gear, your ride can start to smell pretty bad. That's when it's time to invest in a car air freshener. Naturally, there are a plethora of options to choose from on the market today, so how can you be sure you're getting one that's great quality, delivers a pleasing scent, and is long-lasting? In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car air freshener in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Mozo Natural Air Purifying Bag. The Mozo Natural Air Purifying Bag is just that, a natural and chemical-free way to remove odors from your car by using activated charcoal to scrub the air of excess moisture that can be a breeding ground for nasties like mold, mildew, bacteria, the things that really cause bad odors. Unlike most car air fresheners, this product doesn't use heavy perfumes to cover up nasty smells, but actually absorbs the things that cause them. One small bag is able to cover up to 90 square feet, making this a great option not just for your car, but also for your RV, too. Aftercare couldn't be easier either, as all you'll have to do is just take it out of your car every month and leave it in the sun to dry and reactivate. Number 2. Yankee Candle Gel Car Jar Ultimate Hanging Air Freshener. Yankee Candle Company knows pretty much all there is to know about fragrances, and the Yankee Candle Gel Car Jar Ultimate Hanging Air Freshener is an ideal example of that. This compact and miniature version of one of the brand's scents can hang from your rearview mirror, or easily hide under your seat for a more discreet option. This particular scent is a blend of patchouli, sage, musk, and mahogany cologne. The scented gel lasts up to 4 weeks and is 100% recyclable when you're done with it. It's an affordable choice, too, and given that there are so many scent options to choose from, you can work through all your favorite smells each month. Number 3. Little Trees Car Air Freshener Vent Wrap. If you're not a fan of big air fresheners dangling from your rearview mirror, you may like the understated Little Trees Car Air Freshener Vent Wrap. It's a slim design that simply slides onto one of your air vents to allow air to still flow freely, yet also provide a fragrance masking any scents. It's also made in the USA. Being so compact, however, this air freshener only lasts about 2 weeks before needing to be replaced. It's available in several different fragrances and comes sold in packages of 2, so each package will last you a month or so. Number 4. Little Trees U6P60155 Black Ice Air Freshener. The Little Trees U6P60155 Black Ice Air Freshener is the iconic car air freshener, having been around for decades. It provides simple and straightforward odor masking capabilities, and this particular option comes in a set of 24 trees, giving you months of fresh scents in your vehicle. A far cry from just the original pine-scented version, the company now offers a wide variety of scents to suit any taste. It is, however, one of the more understated air fresheners on our list and won't provide any absorption of odor-causing particles, as it's meant more as an odor-masking solution. These trees last about a month each, but get noticeably less potent day by day, especially if your car is quite smelly. Number 5. Bliss Essential Oil Natural Car Air Freshener. The Bliss Essential Oil Natural Car Air Freshener is a unique take on a car air freshener, giving more thought in its outward design than most standard air fresheners. The rectangular pot holds enough essential oil to deodorize your car for up to 6 months, and could also be used in your bathroom, bedroom, office, or closet. You can choose from several essential oil blends or come up with your own personalized scent from the company, and all oils are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and environmentally friendly. That was our list of the top 5 best car air freshener in 2023 just for you.